Plant FAQs, Euphorbia marginata. My experience with Euphorbia marginata, growing and exploring different plants, has always been a passion of mine. Among the numerous plants I've nurtured, Euphorbia marginata, commonly known as snow on the mountain, has been one of the most fascinating. This striking plant, with its distinct white margin leaves, offers both beauty and intrigue. Here's a detailed look at this unique plant, addressing some common questions and sharing my personal insights. See more 2093 species in genus Euphorbia at monsteraholic.com. What is Euphorbia marginata? Euphorbia marginata is an annual plant native to North America, known for its eye-catching foliage. The plant can grow up to 3 feet tall and produces small, white flowers surrounded by bright white-edged green bracts. These bracts are often mistaken for the plant's flowers, adding to its ornamental appeal. It's a popular choice for borders, beds, and even as a cut flower in arrangements. Is Euphorbia marginata invasive? One of the first concerns many gardeners have is whether Euphorbia marginata is invasive. From my experience, this plant can self-seed quite freely and spread if not managed properly. However, it doesn't exhibit the aggressive tendencies of truly invasive species. In a controlled garden setting, regular maintenance and deadheading can keep its spread in check. If you live in a region where it's particularly vigorous, you might want to monitor it closely to prevent it from taking over your garden. How to grow Euphorbia marginata from seed. Growing Euphorbia marginata from seed is a straightforward process. Here's how I do it. Timing. Sow the seeds in early spring after the last frost. Preparation. Prepare the soil by loosening it and ensuring good drainage. Sowing. Scatter the seeds on the surface and lightly press them into the soil. They need light to germinate, so avoid covering them too deeply. Watering. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Germination. Seeds usually germinate within 2 weeks. Once the seedlings are large enough to handle, thin them out to prevent overcrowding. How to care for Euphorbia marginata. Caring for Euphorbia marginata is relatively easy. Here are some tips to keep your plants thriving. Light. They prefer full sun but can tolerate partial shade. Soil. Well-drained soil is crucial. They are quite tolerant of poor soil conditions but dislike wet feet. Watering. Water moderately, allowing the soil to dry out between watering sessions. Fertilizing. They don't require much fertilization. A light, all-purpose fertilizer in early spring can boost growth. Maintenance. Deadhead spent flowers to encourage more blooms and prevent excessive self-seeding. Is Euphorbia marginata edible? A common question that arises is whether Euphorbia marginata is edible. The simple answer is no. This plant is not considered edible and should not be consumed. While it may look tempting with its lush green and white bracts, ingestion can lead to serious health issues. Is Euphorbia marginata poisonous? Yes, Euphorbia marginata is indeed poisonous. All parts of the plant contain a milky sap that can cause skin irritation and severe discomfort if ingested. When handling this plant, I always wear gloves to avoid skin contact. If the sap gets on your skin, wash it off immediately with soap and water. Keeping it out of reach of children and pets is also advisable to prevent accidental ingestion. When are the seeds ready on Euphorbia marginata? Timing the harvest of Euphorbia marginata seeds is crucial for successful propagation. The seeds are ready to be collected when the bracts start to turn brown and dry out. Here's what I do. Observation. Keep a close eye on the plant as it matures, usually by late summer to early fall. Collection. Once the bracts dry out and start to split, carefully collect the seeds. Storage. Store the seeds in a cool, dry place until you're ready to plant them the following spring. What to plant with Euphorbia marginata? Euphorbia marginata pairs well with a variety of plants. Here are some companions I recommend. Ornamental grasses. Their texture contrasts beautifully with the smooth bracts of Euphorbia. Perennials. Plants like Rudbeckia and Echinacea can provide a vibrant color contrast. Annuals. Combining them with other annuals like zinnias can create a dynamic and ever-changing garden display. In conclusion, Euphorbia marginata is a versatile and visually appealing plant that can be a great addition to any garden. With proper care and management, it can provide a stunning display without becoming a nuisance. Just remember to handle it with care due to its toxic sap. Happy gardening!